for Austin Edward Carlin, white, male, 23 years old, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 170 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing black tank top, blue jeans and black shoes. Suspect has a mental disability and cannot read. In connection with her abduction, the suspect is driving a white 1998 Dodge Caravan, Texas, license plate number of 6BZXD. The suspect was last heard from in Corpus Christi, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Corpus Christi Police Department at 361